You're here to convince your parents to let you buy an E-Moto, or an e-bike, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna help you with that, alright? So first things first, you want your priorities straight. Buy gear first. Get a full face helmet that's protective. Never get a half face. Those things don't protect dog crap. You might as well just not be wearing anything, which I strongly don't recommend. If you don't know your ratings, DOT rating basically means nothing. Anyone can slap that on a helmet. ECE rating though, that's where it is. ECE is the European standards for testing helmets, which means they test a lot better than America standards do, and it just makes your helmet a lot more protective in general. Also, investing in goggles is a great idea. I can't even tell you the amount of times goggles have prevented a bug, rocks, or dust just getting in my eyes. Gloves are a must too. Your hands are not gonna get road rash. They hurt, trust me. Road rash sucks, you don't want it. And for your bike, if it's your very first bike, definitely get something 6 to 8 kilowatts. That's the sweet spot for beginners for me. Now that you have all that in mind, you gotta prove that you're responsible. Keep your grades up. This is a big one. You gotta prove you're doing good in school for your parents to even consider putting you on a bike. And work for it. You definitely gotta work for it. Show that you're gonna pay it back or pay for it up front. Mow the lawn. Start a damn YouTube channel if you want. Show that you're passionate about it. Now, the biggest one here is learning road law. This is extremely important. Probably the most important thing here right behind gear. Know how to use a roundabout. Know how to use a four-way. Know how traffic light works. Know how to read road signs. It's literally common sense. If you don't know this, search up your state's DMV practice permit test and do that right now and master it. Knowing this is actually helpful in the future when you start to drive, trust me. Now, comparison is the thief of joy, but is also your friend right now. Compare your tiny little damn e-bike to a big ass Honda 450 dirt bike that people are doing whips on and big ass jumps on. Comparison is your friend, trust me. Tell your parents that your little e-bike does not have the power to do things like that, and it won't. It makes it look safer in general. Comparing something worse to your bike makes it look way better than comparing something better to your bike. And make a Google slideshow if you want. Just prove something, like sit down with them and talk about it. If you're serious and you show genuine compassion and work, your chances of getting an e-bike are pretty damn high. Tell your parents that having this bike is gonna get you outside more, because it will. It lets you interact in the real world. It lets you find more friends in rideouts. It lets you have fun. But don't be one of those guys that tear up grass, kick down rocks, throw bricks at babies, and rage bait the hell out of people. It's just showing you have a fat jawline. So put in the work. Get a tan, show your mom your glove tan, and that's about all I can say. Now it's completely up to you to just do it. Summer goes by fast, so you better hurry it up, you better go!